Xanthium approaching Tranquility Base.
There's Houston. You're go for landing. In good shape.
Ratchet, let's roll.
You're at the good side. Very much good Houston. Did you get that mag cap now? Hands down. Roger. Copy contact.
We're entering the Ark.
His levels are faint. He locked himself away to guard the pillars.
Sentinel. You're coming home, old friend. All hail Megatron!
My master is
Don't be greedy, my fragile ones.
Oh, my poor master. How it pains me to see you so wounded, so weak.
Spare me, you gaseous sycophant. You know what you are told, which is nothing. Soundwave reporting, Lord Megatron. And what news from your little assassin?
Autobots have taken the bait. They've discovered the Ark and returned with its cargo.
You did me great honor tracking that ship to the moon. Your human collaborators have served their purpose, Soundwave. It's time to eliminate loose ends. Laserbeak, kill them all.
With pleasure.